postfix and prefix expressions, right? What is all these all? These all are the arithmetic operations. Let's say if you write a plus c, this is a kind of arithmetic expression, right guys? Right? So this a could be constant or variable, right? And same as c could be a constant or variable, and this plus sign defines an operator. So whenever you are going to give any expression or arithmetic expression to the computer, how it will handle it, we will going to understand how it will going to execute those statements, right? So now before going to that, first understand, if we have any binary expression, arithmetic expression, any binary expression like a plus c, then what it means to say, it it forms this type of formula, or we can say representation, right? First there will be operand 1, so these constant or variables are considered as operands. Everybody knows it or not? Operands. And this plus sign, which signifies the operation among operands, are called operators. So in case of any binary expression, we can say this is similar to this one. Operand will be there, then operator, then operand 2 will be there, and we are going to execute this statement, right? We are going to calculate this statement. So the major problem in this case, so this pattern where operand 1, two operands, one operator will come between two operands, it is called as infix expression, right? So remember one thing, simple basic rule to find that this expression is in this which form, we will have this term, right? Remember one thing, if you are saying that this is a infix of operation or infix expression, that it will look like a plus b, and in case of prefix it will look like first operator, then operand 1, then operand b, operand 2. That means it will look like plus ab, right? And postfix of that same operation will be ab plus. What it means? It means operand 1, in case of infix, operand 1 come first, then operator will come, then operand 2 will come, right? In case of prefix, operator come first, then operand 1, then operand 2. And in the same in case of postfix, expression will look like operator 1 and operator 2 come first, and at the last we will have operator. So this is the rule of thumb. We will remember infix, postfix and prefix by this rule: a plus b plus ab and ab plus. It will help you at the time of calculations, right? So this is what we are going to understand. So now let's say so in case of this here operand 1, it could be a constant, it could be a variable, or apart from these two, it could also be an expression also. What that means to say, if I am saying that a plus b minus c, then this will be recognized as op1, and this will be recognized as op2, and this will be identified as operator, right? So It could be a constant. Operands could be a constant or any variable. Constant means 4, 3, 4, 5 like that, and variable will be a, b, c like that. And expression will be a combination of any operand and operator. So expression could also be a operand 1 could also be a, or operand 2 could also be a expression in different cases. So remember one thing, you need to find out that which one is the operand and which one is operator. So in our case, whenever we are going to understand operator in the computer science, we will have plus, minus, multiplication, division, and exponent or raise to the raise power, or exponent we can say, or we can say power. This will be our operator in our case, right? Remember one thing, brackets will not be considered as operator because they don't perform any operation. They will only be used for separation of any expression or any constant or variable, right? So now if you are saying you are studying this, you may ask that, sir, if this is infix only, we can directly implement it into the computer. So now if you are going to implement this infix operation in the computer, then you may be confused with the precedence and associativity rule. Why we are not using infix? See, infix are used by humans only, human readable format. It is easy to understand by humans, and those humans can easily evaluate that those expression. But in computers, it is very tough or time consuming job to evaluate any infix operation. We will understand it by an example. Let's say I have example why it is important. Infix for humans, but machines use postfix and prefix. Why? We will know by the example. Let's say I have an expression a plus b minus c. Let's say if you have this expression and you have to evaluate this expression in simple mathematical rule, how will you do that? You may have two options. Maybe one of the student will first do a plus b, then do c minus c, and in second case, maybe the chance that other person will do like this. Other person will first subtract b from c from the b, and then add it to the a. In both cases, result will be differ, right? Right, guys? Let's say in case you are having a equals to 5, b equals to 1, and c equals to, let's say, 6, for example. If you put those values, evaluate these expressions using those values, you will get different answers for those two evaluations, right? So here 5 plus 1 minus 6, and here 5 plus 1 minus 6. So you will come to know, in this case it will be 0, and in this case it will be 1 minus 5, 6 minus 5 minus 5 plus 5. In this case it is also coming 0. That's then no problem. But let's check for other values. Let's check 7, 2, 3, because this, for these value, it is coming same. Now come to different values. A 7 plus 2 minus 3, and 7 plus 2 minus 3. So the value we will get 7 plus 2 9 minus 3 6, and 7 plus 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1, and plus 6. In both
सर
cases,
मल्टीप्लिकेशन के केस में अंतर आता है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और एडिशन का पेयर लोगे तो अंतर आएगा, इनमें अंतर नहीं आएगा।
yes, 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 you are right. Because why it is happening? Because the precedence of both the symbols will be same. You remember your BODMAS rule?
Yes,
Or
sir.
यस।
Yes, sir.
multiplication and division has same precedence, and plus and minus has same precedence, right? So this is let's check for a plus b. Let's check for a plus b into c. Let's check for this, right? So one can do like this into c, and one can do like this, a plus b into c. Okay, now we'll put values. 7 plus 2 into 3 and 7 plus 2 into 3. So now you will get different answers, right? 7 plus 2, 9, 9, 27. For case 1 you are getting 27, and for case 2 you are getting 7, 6, 6 plus 7, 13. So for case 2 you are getting 13, and those two answers are different for the same expression, right? So we may say that in case of infix, there will be, in case of infix evaluation, in case of infix evaluation, there may be the possibility of ambiguity, or we can say differences between answers, right? One may follow this rule, one may follow this rule, but to get, how will we will know that which one is correct? Is this correct or is this correct? This is the question, right? At the case of infix evaluation, we may get into the situation where we are unable to find that which evaluation is correct, right? So for those evaluation, we have some precedence rules and associativity rules if we want to evaluate any expression correctly. So what is those rules? Those rules are defined here. You can see in the screen. Whenever we are manually evaluating any infix type of expression, those rule governs the correct way of evaluation of any arithmetic operation. So these brackets has same associative precedence, right? Those all are at the same level of precedence, right? So first priority will be given to any bracket, either it will be curly bracket or square bracket, right? Second precedence, uh, second higher precedence we are having for exponent or raised to the power operator, right? And third precedence after raised to the power or exponent operator we have for multiplication and division, and at the fourth place we have at the last for plus and minus. But now remember, this 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 is this is signified by precedence rules. Now what these associativity means? Whenever, see, associativity rule will be applicable only when you are getting some in the calculation you are getting two operators with the same precedence. If you are getting in the calculation division and multiplication both, then what in which order you will follow at the time of calculation? For those direction of movement or direction of selection of operator will be governed by our associativity rule, which is written over there. In case of if you are getting multiple exponent raised to the power operator in the equation, you have to use right to left, right? You have to follow right to left, sorry, right to left scanning. You have to use right to left scanning. It is written over there, right? And in case of multiplication and division, you have to use left to right scanning at the time of evaluation, right? And in the same, at the time of plus minus, you have to use left to right. So these associativity rules will govern the scanning direction of your scanning at the time when you are going to evaluate your expression. For example, if I have this expression, right? I have this expression in fixed expression, and I need to evaluate it, right? So what will be the happen? What will happen? So according to those rule given above, we may find that first priority will be given to brackets, but there is no bracket in the expression. See here, in this expression there is no bracket is given, कोई भी bracket नहीं है, तो हम लोग फिर second पे check करते हैं, is there any exponent? No, there is no exponent. So we will come to third precedence. Now we may find that we are having two operators, multiplication and division here in the expression. Now I need to check which I should evaluate first. So we will use at this time, because we are having both the symbols, right? So definitely we are going to first evaluate which one, left to right. We will follow left to right rule. So in the scanning of left to right, what we found that multiplication come first. That means we will first evaluate this expression, and division comes second. We will evaluate division second. So I will first evaluate 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10 here, and 6 here. Then again I found, okay, then again I found that this is the same, those both are the same symbols, plus symbols. We can use either first this one or second this one, or either first this one or second this one. But in case if there were minus symbol, if it is not plus and it is minus, then we need to use left to right rule. So we will first these two use, we will first calculate 10 plus 1, then we will calculate result with second expression, right? So it will the correct answer. So if in this case, in the last example, if I follow those precedence and associativity rule, what do you think, which one is correct? Can anybody tell? Guys, if I have this expression, I have A plus B into C. So according to associativity and precedence rule, which one should be calculated first?
First
B into C.
B and C, sir.
B into C. So that's what we performed
Second
here,
one.
right? That means this evaluation is correct, and this expression is incorrect according to precedence and associativity rule. So these if you found it, if you see that these associativity rules is similar to your BODMAS rules, right? Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so remember one thing, those brackets are not operators in case of computers. Computers don't identify those as a operator. We have only these operators which we need to work upon, right, at the time of इवेल्यूशन. सो इफ यू फाउंड, अगर आप देखें तो जो आपका इनफिक्स ऑपरेशंस हैं, जो इनफिक्स एक्सप्रेशंस हैं, वो ह्यूमंस के लिए तो बहुत इजी है करने के लिए, बट अगर आप मशीन से करवाना चाहेंगे, उस चीज को इम्प्लीमेंट करवाना चाहेंगे, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपको ये प्रेसिडेंस रूल्स लगाने पड़ेंगे. क्योंकि अगर आप ये प्रेसिडेंस रूल नहीं लगाते तो आपने देखा कि आपके पास मल्टीपल तरह के आंसर्स हो सकते हैं. देयर विल बी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इन द रिजल्ट, राइट? तो एक तो रीजन है कि इनफिक्स केवल ह्यूमंस के लिए बनाया गया. दूसरा, अब अगर कंप्यूटर में करवाना चाहते हो, आपको हर एक्सप्रेशन के लिए ये सारे के सारे रूल्स स्टोर करने पड़ेंगे कहीं ना कहीं कंप्यूटर में, राइट? राइट गाइस?
Yes, sir.
गाइस अगर आपको इनफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन को सॉल्व करना कंप्यूटर के थ्रू, तो आपको ये सारे के सारे रूल यूज करने पड़ेंगे एट द टाइम ऑफ इवैल्यूएशन। आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा ब्रैकेट तो नहीं है, फिर पावर तो नहीं है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन है तो किस ऑर्डर में है, लाइक दैट, राइट। तो यानी कि आपको ये कहीं ना कहीं सिस्टम में स्टोर करने पड़ेंगे रूल, और हर टाइम जब भी कोई भी इवैल्यूएशन होगा, किसी भी नई नई इक्वेशन का इवैल्यूएशन होगा, अरिथमेटिक इक्वेशन का, तो आपको ये सारे रूल फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे। दैट मीन्स इट विल बी ए टाइम कंज्यूमिंग जॉब, क्योंकि हर टाइम आपको प्रेसिडेंस चेक करने के लिए इन रूल्स को फॉलो करना पड़ेगा, राइट। एंड डेफिनेटली इट विल बी मेमोरी इन एफिशिएंट वे, यानी कि आपको ये स्टोर तो करोगे तो यानी कि आपको मेमोरी भी रिक्वायर्ड होगी। इसकी इसीलिए इसीलिए कंप्यूटर्स जो आपके हैं वो इन फिक्स एक्सप्रेशंस को यूज नहीं करते हैं बच्चे। अभी क्लियर हो गया बच्चे आपको कि व्हाई कंप्यूटर्स डोंट यूज इन फिक्स एक्सप्रेशंस टू कैलकुलेट एनी अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशन? It will always use prefix and postfix whenever you are going to understand. See, our postfix of any calculation will be look like this: first operator 1, operator 2, then sorry, operand 1, operand 2, then our operator. That means there will be no bracket, and if there is no bracket, that means you need not to worry about precedence and associativity, because in case of postfix and prefix you don't bother about precedence rules, right? You will implement those in fix to postfix and prefix, then only you will supply those expressions to computer, and computer will read those expressions, and according to those expression it will calculate the result. So it will not need it will not bother about these precedence rule and associativity rule. So that's why it is efficient. Postfix and prefix are the efficient way of evaluating any expression in the computers. That's why computers use postfix and prefix, not infix, because infix every time you need to use precedence rule and associativity rule. Right guys, clear हो गया बच्चे सबको क्यों हम पढ़ रहे हैं इसे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है बच्चे, so this is all for this class.